So your phone might just freeze at the spot and stop working at all, or start working slowly. Well, this is called lag on your phone. So we're going to be fixing lag on your phone. But before we do that, we have to address what causes laggy phone. So if your phone has between 1 gig of RAM to 4 gig of RAM, your phone is prone to be slow. So if you do these things, I'm going to be met now, your phone is going to be very slow. So first, if you install so many apps on your phone, all you need to do is check for apps you are not using and uninstall them, because apps like that might be using your data and also might be running on the background of your phone without you even using them at all, and this will take space, take your RAM, and even take your data from your phone. So all you need to do is uninstall it right now and free up some space and reduce the probability of your phone being slow. So secondly, do not run too many apps on the background of your phone. So when using our apps, we tend to open different apps and exiting them without closing them properly. This tends to slow down your phone and consume battery, because when they are open, they occupy a lot of RAM and space on your phone. So all you need to do is always exit and close your apps properly. Thirdly, if your phone is a base model, by that I mean your phone has low RAM, low storage and a slow processor, then trying to run high-end apps and games like Call of Duty, Free Fire and video editors will be practically impossible, and this might even crash your phone and make it very slow. So the best way to go about this is download the light versions of every app you use. So you can use Facebook Lite for your Facebook, your Instagram Lite for Instagram, Telegram X for Telegram, and so much more. So that's the end of this video. Please do well to subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed this video to help my channel grow. Peace. And this will in turn help your phone to run better and faster. So the rest are bonus tips which will help you when your phone is freezed at a spot. So number one, when your phone freezes and the screen isn't responding to your touches at all you need to do is power it off by pressing the power button for up to a minute, and it will first shut down. Number two, clear cache on your phone. So to do this, just go to your file manager, click on app settings and clear cache. Number three, all you need to do is subscribe to my channel and your phone will continue to run smoothly. So that's the end of this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.